Alright, so here we go. We want to solve linear equations that are written in the form of fractions. Alright, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them on the board. Now, in solving any math problems, there are different ways to so do. The way in which I am comfortable with and seems to be logical will be the method I am going to use today. Alright? And that's the same method I would have introduced you to prior. So let's go. What I am going to do is to make, my first step will be to make this piece a fraction that is not a fraction. Alright? So I'm going to be working with fractions throughout. Good? So I can have a formality. Alright? So let's go. The denominators are 5, 4, and 1. So we look at those numbers and we identify the lowest common multiple. 5 and 4, the LCM will be. Then the next step is to multiply each fraction by my LCM. Alright, I am multiplying by my LCM. So now I simplify. I can simplify in one of two ways. I can go with the LCM by the numerators. Alright, so 20 by x will give me 20x over 5. 23 is 60 over 4. And 20 times 2 will give me 40. I then simplify these fractions. 5 goes into 20 4 times. 4 goes into 60 15 times, and I have 40. I now connect like terms on one side of the equation. So I keep the 4x, I keep the 40 there, and I take across this negative 15, which will now become alright, so 4x is equal to 40 plus 15. No one is responding to me.
Can you move the camera a little bit, please?
Pardon me?
Can you move the camera a little bit, please? So I can see the equation.
Alright, 1 second. So we divide both sides by 4 to get rid of the coefficient. So x is equal to 4 goes into 55. How many times?
13.
30 times. Remainder?
So, 3 quarters.
Remainder 3.